So, g'day people, how you going? This is Glenn, and today we're going to be talking about how to use COVID-19, corona, or coronavirus in a sentence. And you know that this is actually quite a serious topic, but we're not going to be serious in this topic. We're just going to use it how you would use this in a sentence. So, if you're not too familiar with this, COVID-19 is the name of a virus, and it's part of the coronavirus family. You can get lots of information from the internet. Go to Wikipedia. You can read that information. If you want to read the references, and they're very important, you go down and you read the references. So, for the starters, we would definitely name the coronavirus as the subject of the sentence. So, coronavirus is the subject of the sentence. That's basically you using coronavirus as a noun. And you can use it in the middle of a sentence. I'm not going to actually specify which one is the adverb, which one is the verb, which one is the adjective, because that gets too complicated. If you want to learn grammar, go read a grammar book. Not here. I like grammar, and I hope this insect gets coronavirus. It's another way you could use the word coronavirus. So basically, wherever you got a noun, so at the start of the sentence we go, noun is going to infect the world. So coronavirus is going to infect the world. So we want it as a, wherever a noun goes, so the actual subject. Subject, because what you're actually talking about, the subject of the sentence, and so that's basically it. So when you're actually going, the coronavirus is a bad virus, I wish it will go away. So when you're saying, I wish it will go away, so coronavirus is a serious virus. I wish it will go away. So in this construction, we have the actual coronavirus is a serious virus. So we know what we're talking about. We're talking about coronavirus, and we know that it's actually a serious virus. I wish it will go away. So when you're saying I wish it, so it, we already know what the actual subject of the sentence is. That's coronavirus. So when you're saying I wish it will go away, you're saying I wish coronavirus will go away. So if you have trouble actually understanding what the subject of the sentence is, just replace it with what the subject was before. And that's basically how you use coronavirus. You can also you can substitute COVID-19 or corona. People know what they actually are. If you actually want to get more specific, the actual name is SARS-CoV-2. So there's actually another one, which is the SARS virus. And that means severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2. And it just means that it's actually a very bad and infectious virus. So anyway, that's how you use coronavirus in a sentence as a subject and a noun. Anyway, I'm not an English teacher, so I really don't care. Thank you very much and have an awesome English speaking time. Thank you and goodbye.